Hey Fruit Faces, it's Klaireeberry. I told you guys I was going to do a haul, and I did a haul, let me tell you. It's been a while since I have done a haul this big. Just had a fun time carrying it all inside, and there's a big puddle of ice outside. Major, not slip up, but major downside of this grocery haul was that Costco did not have any bananas. So that kind of sucks. That is obviously one of the things I was most excited about getting. I need to build up my stores. Probably should have eaten before I went. I got a lot of stuff. I spent about $270, which is probably more than I wanted, although I was not going in with any kind of limit. And again, maybe I should have, but I don't think it's just the fact that I was getting mostly raw stuff. It's just the amount that I got. I got like double of everything and a lot of things. So we'll see, how long it lasts me, how I do with it and everything like that. But I think I got enough really good staple items that I can use in bulk. Most of everything I got, I think, was on my list, but I do have one or two splurge items. Oranges, again, I got these because they didn't have any bananas. They weren't even really on my list. Cuties weren't even on my list, and I got some of those too. These are just navel oranges. I don't care about getting these organic because, you don't eat the peel, and also because they're not in the dirty dozen. I figure I'll probably juice most of those, to be quite honest, just to get bulk calories, get them in. I can drink them a lot faster than I can eat them, and when you're raw, you need those freaking calories, and sometimes you just need them right now. So I'm actually really excited about that, and I'm not that bummed out about the bananas right now, just because I think this is, again, the best time of year to eat these oranges. They're going to be the best now than they are any other time. So I got some orange juice for the kids. They're each going to get two, although I opened one of theirs already because I can tell I'm very dehydrated. I need to just chug some water. I got 2 bags of Romaine lettuce, got the organic versus the halos. This is definitely the best deal. I forget exactly what it was, 6 something maybe, but it's just a bigger bag than you get really anywhere else. I just love Costco. I got 2 5-pound bags, and I want to compare this because I get 5-pound bags from Sprouts, and I think this was $5.50. So these are rainbow though, so that's going to be kind of interesting, having some variety in my noodles and my zoodles. And again, I think I'm going to focus on, since I'm, I don't have a whole bunch of extra money right now, carrots are some of the cheapest food. They don't go bad, and they make excellent noodles, and they're also higher in carbs. So I know a lot of people do the Zooks. Zooks have 5 grams of carb for a whole freaking zucchini, and they're not super expensive, but they're not that cheap either. And honestly, I think if I get used to eating them more and eating them with the salad, it'll just be better all around. 3 cups of shredded carrots is like 30 grams carbs. So if I need carbs, that's going to be a great place to go. Got a bag of lemons. Lemons are definitely a must, a staple item. So they have, I swear, they have those big flats of big apples, which I don't like the big apples anyway, and they're so expensive. It's like $12, $14. I thought I even saw maybe up to $17 for one of those things today. But these are like $3.99 or maybe $4.99, and these are the best. They're so good. I hate Disney, but they're organic, they're smaller, they're really crisp and tart and everything, so gotta love it. Okay, so I got wild blueberries. You just get more. You get 4 pounds for about the same price of 3 pounds of organic. So, and plus wild are supposed to be better ORAC score, better antioxidant levels. I went ahead and got the boys some organic mixed vegetables. Just an easy thing to throw on, when they want to eat ramen or when they want to eat something pasta. They eat it all the time, and it's like, where's your vegetables? This is like the easiest thing to just pull it out, and they love it. Love freezer veggies. I couldn't turn this down, organic. I think I've got this before and liked it, but I'm not sure if it was this exact one. I'm really excited about this because I love that tropical fruit. Oh, so good. And strawberry is a little bit more expensive actually than blueberries. Although this is 4 pounds too, and this is $9.90. This is $10 for this. And so yeah, way better deal than Sprouts or really anywhere else that I've seen for frozen veggies. Okay, this was a splurge item that was not on the list. I'm going to be looking into things like this because I want to get a raw one so I can stay raw, but I'm going to basically cut out all coffee, only do like herbal tea, maybe green tea. Because I don't like to eat that much in the mornings anyway, but I still want calories and I definitely need hydration. So I think something like this, and again, this was kind of a splurge item. have a lot of antioxidants. It's got a little green tea. Yeah, look at this ORAC score. The ORAC score for antioxidants. So yeah, this is just kind of daily greens, probably real alkalizing. Just stir it in. Again, I probably won't continue to buy these. I think this is like ecological friendly. I don't think this is plastic. I think this is paper. So it's not as bad as it could be. I'll let you know what I think about that too. So it was so funny. I was actually using my pendulum in the middle of the aisle at Costco. I saw this great fruit stand, and I've been thinking about getting a fruit stand. And I wasn't really sure about this, especially when I found out there was two. I was definitely going to get one. And when I asked my pendulum, because I pulled it out in the middle of the aisle, it's like, okay, I probably look crazy here, but I'm like, okay, it said to get it, so I got it. Is that crazy? Am I crazy? Crazy vegans perpetuating the stereotype, damn it. But it's going to be for, well, at least one of them is going to be for my compost inside. I have kind of gotten off composting, and I hate that. And, you know, also with gardening season coming back up, I mean, this time of year, it's like, what else can you do but look forward to spring? And that's why I've got all of this stuff. I've started my tomato seeds already. I've got tons and tons of wheatgrass going, like all this stuff. Who doesn't need, you know, soil? And I feel like anything I can do right now to plan ahead, save money in the long run. Every year I don't want to be having to buy soil. If I could just buy this and it helps me to compost more, I think I am going to buy like an actual composter. I've looked at those a couple years ago and the prices were not where I want them to be, and now they are. So I've seen some really good rated ones for a better price. So sometimes patience is key. And, you know, they look great. I think they're $10.99 now, which I think they went up. I did get two of those. I'm not sure where the other one is right now. Went ahead and got two of these. These are $3.99, you guys. What the fuck else can you get for I'm so sick of people saying veganism is so expensive. I mean, you know what I just learned too? 97% of people in America are deficient in fiber. Like vastly deficient in fiber. And even more than 97% are deficient in potassium. So pull that stat and ask people where they get their potassium every day and where they get their fiber if they're asking you where they get your protein. That's just a little boost for my smoothies. I've been loving spinach in the smoothies lately. Another thing, I was sitting there and like I said, I got two of those. Another thing, you guys know, I found out that that wine is raw, so I'm continuing to drink. I wasn't going to be like planning on drinking that much, but now I'm not. I mean, I don't overdo wine really at all anymore. So I was in the aisle on my phone just looking up all the red wines that I saw, because I'm kind of a red wine person. I mean, I like Pinot Grigio. It's like the only white wine I like. But so I found Castle Rock, and the cheap one. Did I get two? Yeah, I guess I went ahead and got this. I'm hoping it's good because it's going to be my go-to for real, because you get cash back. I mean, in Missouri, you guys, you get, what is it, 2% cash back, or maybe it's just 1%, but you get cash back at the end of the year on everything, including alcohol. Now, I don't know if it's like that in every state, but that's a fucking good deal. I was planning on getting my garlic also at Sprouts, again, because of the packaging issue. Definitely know this one is not recyclable, which sucks, but the reason I got it is because I feel like it is a really good deal. Again, I can't remember, $5.50 or so. And again, we got these little, the label gets me every time. The brick score is like supposed to be really high in this garlic, so I've been using a lot of garlic making my Caesar salad dressing. Got some broccoli. The kids like raw broccoli. I like raw broccoli. When I'm raw like this now, and it's like anything that I can just eat, that I can just pick up and eat and get in my body. I think if I'm making my Caesar dressing, dipping this in there, oh yeah. Oh man, I'm like so excited right now. I'm not even like that hungry. I'm just like so excited. Again, when you have all these fresh foods, like you can feel it. I know I'm not crazy, even though I've said that I am like 3 times in this video. Okay, here's one. Again, don't know that I'll continue to do this. I really need to get my Sprouts little dillies washed out and take them up to Sprouts and refill with the bulk section, because I don't want to buy plastic. I'm cutting this out this year, but I really do need turmeric, and turmeric is one of the spices that I use a lot, because I'll just put it in my water, put some in some tea, put some in the curry, put some in everything. Like I really slip it in everything because it's so healthy, it's so good for you. I always try to pair it with black pepper, and this is a nice big thing for a pretty good price. I think it's like $3 or $4. So had to get it. And then this is another splurge item at the end. It's been on my list to think about where to get this. I was thinking about trying to get raw. Oh shit. Look at there, baby, unroasted. So I don't know what that fully means, raw. Could have been heated up in a different way, but at this point, again, you kind of know where I'm coming from. I mean, I'm still doing peanut butter powder too. I'm not fully raw, so I don't care. But I do think this is really cool. I've been wanting to get on cacao as opposed to the cocoa powder. Just, again, more nutrients, flavonols, all of this stuff. This contains almost 200 milligrams of flavonols per serving. Ooh, magnesium is actually one of the things I think a lot of people in this country are definitely deficient in as well. So yeah, fair trade, organic, all the stuff good. This is a big ass thing. And I think it was like 12 or 13 bucks. I think it's probably a really good deal. Wow. Oh shit. You guys, 2.5 tablespoons is 4 grams of protein. 300 milligrams of potassium. I tell you, I'm definitely not going to be one of the potassium deficient. If you see the first couple of videos that I did where I was doing what I eat in a day videos when I was going raw just a week or two ago, nutrients out the roof. Like I don't know. I guess when I went raw before, I wasn't doing it right. I know I wasn't doing it right. I was trying to mix a raw salad with peas that weren't raw. I thought maybe they were raw, but they weren't. You live and you learn. So here's my other thing of dates. And that's it, you guys. That is my haul. And again, I'm really, really excited. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what you think. Did I do good? Do you think it looks like a lot for $270? Like, I'm just hoping it lasts. You know, if all else fails, you can either juice it really fast or freeze it or something else. I know the juice is not going to last long, so that's going to be something that doesn't last, 2 weeks or 3 weeks or even longer. The lettuce, obviously it's just not going to last forever. The celery, I'm going to juice that so fast. Let's see, how many celeries did I get? Let's see, this has got to be such a good deal. I don't even remember how much these were. I think maybe $5.50 again. I feel like when I first walked in, everything was $5.50. I got 4, so I got 16 of these. So that's going to basically last me like 8 days of doing celery juice. So, but I find that when I juice, in my juicer and the celery that I've gotten before, I juiced 2 stalks. When I juice this, like I said, I get about 20 ounces. And so I just do 2, so every morning instead of having the medical medium protocol of 16 ounces, I have 20. I guess I could probably divvy it out and figure that out and, have it longer days, but not sure that it actually matters. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put all this stuff away, and I'm going to get hydrated before I eat, and then I'm going to work on some videos because I'm having so much fun with you guys. I feel pretty happy, content, blessed that I can afford all this great food, that I have Costco close by, and actually numerous stores, because even 5 years ago, you guys, when I first went vegan, like Sprouts wasn't there. I don't think I had a Costco. I don't know how long I've had a Costco membership, but they didn't have all this great organic stuff at Costco either. Like, I know it's hard to like look around and always be positive. So much like negative going on in the world, especially for vegans. Like, we see so much more than other people do sometimes. But really, when you look at the overall gist of things, like, you can find a lot of examples of things that are getting better. And if you focus on things that are getting better, then more things are going to get better. That's just the way life works. The law of attraction. I have a playlist on that in case you're interested. Okay, I'm really going to go now. Talk to you later. Bye. Love you guys.